Ever had that daydream? You check your phone, see a life-changing notification you won the lottery. Let's pretend it's the digital kind, for security reasons. Now, the excitement kicks in, but then reality bites. How do you move all that money? Can you just Zelle it all to your friends and family in a celebratory frenzy? Well, hold on to your virtual winning ticket, because that's exactly what we're going to explore today. We're diving deep into the world of Zelle transfers, specifically with Ally Bank. We'll crack the code on daily limits, so you know exactly how much you can send in a single day. Now, Zelle itself is a super convenient way to send and receive money directly between bank accounts in the US. It's like instant cash, whizzing through the digital world. But remember, every bank has its own set of rules, and Ally Bank is no different. The intrigue of daily limits. Let's face it, daily limits can feel frustrating sometimes. They might put a damper on your plans, but they're also there for security reasons. Banks want to make sure your hard-earned cash isn't accidentally flying out the digital window in a single swipe. So, what are the daily limits for Zelle transfers on Ally Bank? Here's where things get interesting. There are actually two types of transfers to consider, instant and scheduled. Instant gratification versus planning ahead. For those gotta-have-it-now situations, Ally Bank allows instant Zelle transfers of up to $2,000 per day. That means if your friend desperately needs gas money, or you owe your roommate lightning fast for that emergency pizza order, you can zip them the cash with Zelle in a flash. However, if you're planning ahead and want to send a larger sum, Ally Bank offers scheduled transfers through Zelle. These transfers take a bit longer, typically up to 3 business days, but the upside? You can send a much bigger chunk of change. The daily limit for scheduled transfers jumps to a whopping $5,000. There's an even higher limit of $10,000, but that requires contacting Ally Bank directly to set it up. Beyond the daily grind, monthly limits. It's important to remember that daily limits aren't the only restriction to consider. Ally Bank also has monthly limits for Zelle transfers. These are typically higher than the daily limits, giving you more flexibility to move your money around over time. Unfortunately, Ally Bank doesn't publicly disclose their specific monthly limits. If you need to transfer a significant amount, it's always best to contact the bank directly to confirm your limit and discuss your options. Keeping your winnings safe, even the virtual kind. While Zelle is a fantastic tool, it's crucial to remember a few golden security rules. First, only send money to people you know and trust. Zelle transactions are typically final, so there's no way to get your money back if you send it to the wrong person. Second, never share your financial information or Zelle login details with anyone. Ally Bank, or any legitimate financial institution, will never ask for this information over email, phone, or text. If someone contacts you claiming to be from Ally Bank and asks for your personal details, it's a red flag. Report it immediately. The final tally, you're in control. So, while you might not be able to Zelle your entire lottery winnings in a single day, Ally Bank's daily and scheduled transfer limits offer plenty of flexibility for most situations. Remember, these limits are there to protect you, and with a little planning, you can easily move your money around securely and efficiently. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.